Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make soufflé pancakes with pancake mix, full guide. Whisk the egg yolks with pancake mix and milk until smooth, then gently fold in stiff egg whites to keep air. Heat a non-stick pan on low, use ring molds, and spoon batter carefully to avoid deflating. Cook slowly, flip once, and steam briefly for tall, cloud-like pancakes that stay tender and sweet. Start by separating eggs while keeping everything dry and cool for best volume. Mix pancake mix with yolks and milk until no lumps remain. Aim for a ribbon-like batter thickness. Whip the whites with a little acid until glossy stiff peaks form, then fold them into the yolk batter in 3 additions to preserve air. Spoon into warmed ring molds and smooth tops gently before cooking low and slow. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, so crumbs and flour are one less worry after brunch. It keeps your kitchen tidy without extra effort, and I genuinely reach for it after cooking. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Heat a non-stick pan on the lowest setting and oil ring molds lightly to prevent sticking. Place batter-filled molds in the pan, cover with a lid, and cook slowly for several minutes until edges set and bottoms are golden. Flip carefully and cook covered until done. Use a toothpick to check doneness without squashing. Plate the pancakes gently, add toppings like syrup or berries, and enjoy immediately for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.